Welcome back. You're watching Brand Equity's Diwali special with me, Sonali Krishna. Now, this festive season comes with its own pockets of delight. On the occasion of Diwali, we're joined by none other than the actor Kareena Kapoor Khan as she partners with Instagram to spread the love and support of small businesses. Now, over the years, we all know that Instagram has become a natural home for the partnerships between people, celebrities, influencers, and brands to come to life. Kareena has demonstrated her love to support small businesses in India by exclusively activating her Instagram community's deep love to support small businesses in India, especially with My Bagicha, by encouraging her followers to shop or gift plants this festive season. This initiative is a part of Instagram's ongoing Love Runs Deep campaign, and this partnership is most definitely a demonstration of Facebook India's commitment to small businesses. And to discuss this initiative, we're joined by, of course, Kareena Kapoor herself, along with Archana Vora, Director, Small and Medium Businesses, Facebook India, and Soumitra Kabra, co-founder, My Bagicha. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, to join me right here on Diwali on Brand Equity. Truly a pleasure having three of you, and lovely seeing you, Kareena. You're glowing.
Thank you, and happy Diwali to everyone and whoever's listening, whoever's watching us. I think we should make it a green and a prosperous Diwali. Hopefully, that's what I think is behind this.
Kareena, I'll start with you. You joined Instagram this year in March, and now you have a community of over 5 million people. How has the journey been for you so far?
Actually, obviously, it's always been a thought the last 1 year, actually toying with the idea that I've actually been one actor who's very, very private. I was like, how is it going to be if I come on Instagram and, what it's going to be like. But all I have to say is that I think it's been a revelation, because the idea is that I think actors are also so isolated. I think this platform has actually allowed us to have like a two-way conversation, with our fans, to actually know what is in their mind, what they love about us, what they love about our lives, to give them a little bit of a sneak peek of what kind of personality we actually are, rather than, also just probably seeing our characters on screen from which they make judgments with, that okay, so and so person is like this, or she's like a diva because she's always played characters like I don't know, like a Pooh or something like that, which they kind of associate me with. But when actually I put up a little bit about my life, I think they kind of understand that okay, this is what her likes are, her dislikes are, what I actually am, a little bit at home. I was apprehensive at first, but I think I've realized that it actually spreads more love than anything else. Of course, there is a downside, which we all know, which is, the idea of the trolls and everything. But I think if there's love and positivity, which we can spread, and actors have that ability, to make them, I think Instagram makes the actor actually most authentic, because I think if you can bear your soul on it a little bit, I think it's great. Your fans get to see, the actual person, and I'm actually enjoying it now.
What are your most special moments that you've had with this community on Instagram, or you've shared, over the last few months?
I think the best part, what happened is that I actually joined Instagram a week before the lockdown, So, nobody ever thought that we would be actually in this global pandemic and, locked up at home for like 7 months. And I'm so glad that in a way I utilized those 7 months in connecting with, a bit of my fans and showing them that what actually Saif, me and Taimur as a family and a unit kind of believe in a little bit, And one of them was, I think the idea was when I kind of put up a lot of pictures, because we do a lot of gardening, both Saif and me. And I think the lockdown gave us that time to actually give our plants that time, And so I would put up pictures, and Taimur now has like, his own little vegetable patch going on, in our little flat. And I think that was only possible because of this lockdown. And my fans got to know a lot about it because of Instagram, And I think that that's a kind of connectivity and a special kind of love, which is very difficult, which it won't come through in like probably like interviews of like just like if they read it online or in on a newspaper, if they see that photographic evidence on Instagram, I think it kind of really helps them relate to me. So in a way, it's all just turned out perfectly fine, like this lockdown and this, us showing our interests out there and putting it out there, So I'm so glad it's actually just exactly a week before the pandemic broke. So I don't know how. I think it was just like a calling or something.
And thank God you did that, so that you're, in this extended period of isolation, people could interact with you and have a peep, into your life. Having said that, moving to you, Archana, Instagram, as a platform, we all know has been very special for celebrities and creators, but it's also been pretty special for up and coming businesses. Tell me some of the ways in which Instagram has been enabling small businesses in the country.
Okay, thank you for that question, Sonali. I think first things first, a very happy Diwali for everybody. Having said that, I think I'm going to start and take a cue from where Kareena left, right? So delighted to hear that celebrities see Instagram as a safe forum for expression. And more importantly, a very authentic forum for expression. So I think for small and medium businesses, the first part that's really important is a lot of small and medium businesses actually don't have websites. And therefore, Instagram becomes really the first place where they come in, create a page, and their journey on the platform. And I hate to use the word platform. I would treat Instagram as a cultural hub, right? You have people coming in, sharing their passions who are creators. You have a large community. You have celebrities like Kareena on the platform that are having very authentic conversations. So for me, I think that bridge between creators, community, people, and reach becomes very, very strong for small and medium businesses as they start, right? And it's tough to start. I don't have a website. Kya karu? And I want to go online, right? So I think that's the first part. I think the second part that Instagram also does really well is the fact that it's a very vibrant community, right? And it's a storytelling community. So what you're really doing is you're coming into this forum as a business where you're connecting with other people who value your business, and you're talking even to creators. So when you make that bridge together, you get a very engaged, vibrant community that you're talking to at all given points of time. I think the second point that becomes extremely critical is that it's also a great forum where people share real things, right? Like people share videos about their marriages, the new lehenga that's coming in, and like how many people have worn that lehenga, to everything that drives either social movement or fashion movements. So I think that's the second part, which makes it very, very close. And the third is really the ease of the medium in terms of visual storytelling, which is take a picture, have the most innovative way of sharing it. And I think that's the third bridge that Instagram just so beautifully brings to a small and medium business. But if I were to step back and say, hey, having done all of that, what is it specifically that we've done for small and medium businesses just during these really tough times? And I know Kareena spoke of the fact that, there was 7 months at home. For people who were spending 7 months at home were on these platforms engaging. And therefore, whether it is in terms of driving value from the start of the funnel. So we typically say awareness to conversion, right? So whether it is placing your ads on the feed, or it is utilizing branded content, which is really publishing posts of influencers or promoting posts of influencers by brands, or it's just, trying various surfaces, which is surfaces like Discover, to discover and shop together. I think all of these outlets have been opened for SMBs to try and do businesses differently. And then there is obviously our support for SMBs coming in through SMB stickers. So you, Sonali, can post a sticker if you were to support a business, just like Kareena is supporting My Bagicha. The other things that you could also do is we also have food stickers. So if you're a young business, and I know people aren't ordering out reluctantly, you could use a food sticker that would really take people to Swiggy and Zomato, and you could order from there. And the last bit is really around gift cards. I think it's very, very important that consumers also support, small businesses. I have this coffee shop next door called Bob's Coffee, but I would love to support a business like that. And therefore gift cards, which are capabilities that we've launched, that allow businesses to discover and drive sales, and for consumers to support them. So I think across the journey, Instagram's been a buddy. It's been a cultural hub. And I hope we can continue to do more for young businesses.
Archana, let's move to what's special today and what we're discussing, the special partnership with Kareena and Instagram. Tell us about it.
First part really is extremely excited about this partnership with Instagram and Kareena, most importantly to support young businesses like My Bagicha. And I don't think this is and Soumitra, I'm not taking anything from you in any capacity, but I'm just excited about the fact that it's a huge opportunity for all young businesses. When they see this marriage come together, it makes me believe that I can think big and I can be a large business as well. So I think that's the first part. I think the second part that's also very important is the support for My Bagicha. I think it brings Kareena's passion. And I heard her talk about Taimur and, his little vegetable patch. I have a 14-year-old son who doesn't garden, unfortunately. I wish he did. But just the bridge there to bring together Kareena's passion and, My Bagicha is a young business. As part of this, as part of our Love Runs Deep initiative is fantastic, because what's really happening is there is a connection between the celebrity and her community, which is Kareena and her community. And she supports gardening. And that's a beautiful move in for a business like My Bagicha to get both support and growth. And definitely at the end of it, right? I wouldn't be surprised if Soumitra is not getting orders falling out of his roof after this. And he's already smiling, right? So I don't want to take away from that. But I think it's just very unique in that sense, because it is a marriage of creators, it's a marriage of communities, it's a marriage of businesses, and very seamlessly happening in very authentic circumstances. So I think that's really the core of this partnership. And I hope we continue to do more of this.
Kareena, what excited you about this partnership with Instagram and My Bagicha? What was the trigger for you to say, I'm going to do this?
Like Archana said, that Instagram actually it's been like a catalyst through, in this lockdown, in this pandemic. It's just kind of helped people support each other, through Instagram. I think that it's really been that. And I love the campaign, the entire caption that says, Love Runs Deep. I think the idea is that Instagram has actually kept us going, if I may say. We've done so much through it, whether it's, share what we're doing through the day, whether it's, planting, whether it's gardening, whether it's cooking, whether it's all this has led to, like she said, so many small businesses that have been able to be set up in these 7 months, if we just talk about this time of the lockdown, people have utilized Instagram, their time, their passion, put it together, use their minds. And with the love and support of Instagram, I think we've been able to do that. Small businesses have been able to get recognized, rather than, the big kind of fashion shops or the big kind of, the swanky businesses. I think the whole idea is that we've picked up a passion and, someone has connected my passion to My Bagicha, which is just fantastic. So when I was told about this and I discussed it with Saif, he was like, I think it's beautiful to use your community to be able to help. What better than, gardening, planting. It helps in so many ways, not just us connect with each other and support, Soumitra's business in My Bagicha, of course, but also I think in an environmental friendly way, in a way to encourage children, in a way to, you can use a small, 3 pots at home also and make it into a little patch, so whether it's children, it's families, girls, boys, anyone, it's where actually, in a way, I feel like me and my community are kind of saving the earth, which we really need right now through My Bagicha. And it just happens to be a small business. And why not? If my name is to it, and if people get to recognize that, hopefully more people will be, getting into gardening, more greenery, not cutting trees, just helping things, helping a conversation kind of evolve. And of course, My Bagicha becoming into hopefully one of the best nurseries plant, to help people come and, buy your plants. I would love that. I think it's an honor for me, to be a part of this campaign, honestly.
Soumitra, you've been beaming all through this conversation. What was your reaction when you got to know about this partnership with Kareena Kapoor?
To be honest, this still seems like a fairy tale, going on for me right now, for our brand. I would really like to thank Miss Kareena Kapoor for sort of supporting a small startup like ours, and Facebook for sort of like getting this through, because this is really something big for a small startup like ours to sort of happen. For a homegrown startup like ours, to get support from a celebrity like Kareena Kapoor, it is a major milestone for us in terms of like reach, in terms of visibility, and with her tremendous popularity, it sort of like builds a trustworthiness, so in the market, like, so people will sort of like say that, if Kareena was saying that this startup is nice, it might be nice, it should be nice, so that is sort of the core for a business to grow. Like trust is the first thing which we sort of like want in people, like trust our nursery to deliver the right kind of like plant to you, trust our nursery to deliver it well for you. So that is something which sort of is the main factor. And like Kareena just said, like her joining with a startup which is totally about nature, her followers will really like look up to that, they will say that, we should be for nature, sort of thing. So that is really nice.
Absolutely. So, Amita, what has been the role Instagram has played, for My Bagicha, and how do you see this partnership helping you during this pandemic?
As a platform, I'll just sort of like take you through what we are for. So when we started My Bagicha, we quickly sort of like realized that so plants is one thing which people need, but they really need to be connected to nature too. In the sense, like people, especially in like metros, they are surrounded with like concrete right now. And so our main concept of My Bagicha was to build on new products which will let people come in touch with nature in a daily lifestyle, in the sense sort of like a diary or a coaster, but made with nature, made with dried flowers for people to connect to it. So Instagram as a platform we started to use roughly like 2 years back, and the growth which we got for these kind of products, so on the platform, was really something else. It is a lot to do with the UI of the application, and of the people who sort of use the platform. It really is a step for a customer to be closer to a brand, and vice versa. Just on this platform, no one thinks twice about like DMing you. People will just send you a message that, hey, whether it be like 9 in the night or 12 in the night, people will just send you a message and say, hey, so I was looking for this plant, like, do you have it or not? It is very simple for someone to come in contact with a brand, and which is really nice for a brand too, because they are directly in touch with customers to know about what is their feedback, what do they need to help someone grow. It is really nice.
Karina, do you find a difference in the way you use Instagram to talk about brands more authentically?
The way I believe it and the way I've used my page and the way I always wanted my page to be is that I wanted to be the kind of person I am, which is all heart. The idea is that I don't want it just to be about, you know, like whether it's me looking, beautiful at all times, or me kind of being featured in on magazine covers at all time. I want to keep the page as real and authentic as like what I am and what I would, believe in and want to talk about. It doesn't have to have like 100 social causes, but it has to have one or two things that I firmly believe in, a little bit of a sneak peek into my family life, a little bit into, the kind of things that I would stand for. And of course, in terms of brands, and, being a celebrity, there will be 1,000 brand associations, there will be 1,000, but I have to pick and choose what kind of reflects my personality. Like, actually, this is one kind of association with Instagram and Facebook and My Bagicha that I'm so excited about, because I think somehow we've not really had this kind of conversation on Instagram with like a celebrity before. I think it's always been about the celebrity rather than the cause, or a product, or rather than a small business. So for the first time, I think hopefully we're going to be talking about something so beautiful, and actually have my community of 5 million, which hopefully will grow and support a beautiful business like My Bagicha. With it just so happens that I just love my plants, and I really want to show you guys all my plants. I don't know if in the light you'll be able to see it. If I turn this, I want Soumitra to see what we've actually done. So now that you know what my favorite plants are, you know what to see.
Archana, before I let all of you go, last question to you. What are some of the other ways in which Facebook and Instagram have been supporting small businesses?
We support globally close to 200 million businesses, and these are predominantly small businesses. And that being the starting point, and I want to bridge to Instagram after that. So when we did a survey on Instagram, we realized that 69% of the people wanted to be on the platform because they connected with celebrities, and celebrities like Kareena and a host of other celebrities. And 65% said because they wanted to connect with creators. If I take that a step down, we also know that, all of the Instagrammers, 90% of them actually, also engage with a brand. So it's very important to therefore then see how the bridge of what we're doing for small businesses goes all the way in building trust across Instagram and a host of our other platforms. I think specifically some of the areas that we've doubled down on, one is really predominantly on the area of skilling. We know that young businesses don't know how to come online. It's easy to say, but kal jaake Instagram pe ya Facebook pe business banana is not easy. I'm deliberately going into Hindi because people have this very strong challenge saying, "Mujhe internet pe nahi jana." It's a fear. And therefore, the first step there being the SMB tool guide that we've launched for about 9 million SMBs, which is both in English and Hindi. So for businesses to take a look at it, देखें, पढ़ें, सीखें कि इंटरनेट पे कैसे जाते हैं और फेसबुक फैमिली ऑफ एप्स को कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Very, very important. I think the second bit is we've launched something called Season of Support. Season of Support, again, during festivities, tells businesses how to make sure that this Diwali is truly profitable for them and continues to be for their well-being. So I think that's the second bit. The third bit is I think we've always been very, very focused on skilling SMBs at scale. So whether it is our Boost program that reaches out to nearly 12,000 customers every time we have an outreach, or just the fact that its ability to reach customers has grown 4x during COVID, gives you a sneak peek into how businesses are really absorbing the information on going online. The second bit is our custom programs like the Advertiser Vintage program and a host of other programs that we run that tell businesses specifically by vertical on how to thrive. So if you're an e-commerce business, you put up a catalog, you have 3 products on it. How do you just go from 3 to 10 to 100 to really grow your business? I think that's the second part of it. The third part of it, which I think is very important, is just funding. Globally, we announced a 100 million fund, for SMBs across 30 countries. It's come to India as well. So we are financially on their workflows and working capital supporting nearly 3,127 SMBs in India alone. So I think that is the third piece that we are acutely conscious and enabling. And I think we truly also believe that with forums like Instagram, it also is important on the trust that we can generate. And we do it across platforms, but I just want to use a stream from Instagram. So we know that 4 out of 5 Instagrammers, when they see a brand on Instagram, believe the brand is authentic. And that's very important because these are young brands. They've never seen visibility before, whether it's a Pipa Bella, whether it's a My Bagicha, or like a brand like Wingreens, which is really about organic products, or a brand like Bunai that does salwar kameez on order. I think all of these brands just get this forum to be, to be accessible in many different ways that drive value for their business. So I think that's the other part that happens as part of all of the stuff that we're doing. And we will continue to support small businesses, whether it's through this or our gift card initiative or our stickers for businesses or our food stickers. I think this is going to be an ongoing journey. It's not stopping anytime soon, Diwali and more. And so that's where we're at, but we will continue to drive value for customers always.
Well, on that note, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Truly a pleasure. Thank you for spending time with us this Diwali. Wishing all of you a really, really prosperous Diwali. And you, My Bagicha, hoping that 2021 is really going to take you to a different level altogether. Thanks to this partnership. May all of you be happy and be safe.
Good luck, guys. And I'm sure it'll be amazing.
Thank you. Thank you again. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you.